As I mentioned in the beginning, I have always felt very awkward, I should say, when we are felicitated in our own programs. It's like having a small program in your house and your family members felicitate you. Does not make any sense. And many times I have asked departments not to felicitate me, but it's a hard habit to break. Sometimes they feel somebody will get upset. But I felt that let me send a very direct message today that from now on we should be very clear that when we are having our departmental programs, if there's a school program or some other organization program, that is okay. They can felicitate us. But in our own programs, there should be a written instruction from our side that we will have a felicitation program, but the respected chief guest and other guests will felicitate the people. That is what it should be. And I'm very happy that today we have been able to start this on this World Environment Day, where I got an opportunity twice to felicitate our children in Upper Shillong once and now here in Mawrah. Second, I've always believed that in programs like these, of course, if it's a very large and a very, very official program, it may be difficult. But whenever we have programs that are manageable like this, we must give an opportunity to somebody from the public